dolls, and welcome to my very first Halloween video for 2018. So I'm just starting off with a regular base. It's a cream base, my skin color, and then I'm putting that all over my eyebrows and my eyelids and patting it with a translucent powder just to set it. Now I'm just creating eyebrows. I wanted more of an Egyptian type of eyebrow look, so I want them really high and flared out and upwards a little bit. So that's just what I'm doing here with a black cream eyeliner. Just creating the shape first on both sides, and then I'm going to begin to fill it in with hair-like strokes. Now I'm just going over that black cream eyeliner with some red eyeshadow, using the red because I wanted to match my hair. So yeah, this might seem familiar from my regular brow tutorial, although I don't do them this high. I really like how they came out, so you never know, maybe I'll continue it. So I'm just brushing it out with a spoolie, any extra product, and then I'm going to conceal the bottom of my brow. Just clean it up and also covered up the tail end of my tattoo brows. You don't have to do your brows this high. This is just how I wanted to do it. If you are interested in this look and you have full brows, you might want to use the glue method to glue down your brows first and then, you know, do them higher. So here I'm just going around my brows with some foundation and blending it out with a sponge, and then moving on to the rest of my face as well. The stuff that I rubbed in before was the primer. Now I'm just going to conceal my face with a light concealer and then blend that out as well and set all of that with a translucent powder. Now I'm just moving into bronzing and contouring. I'm using a pretty dark shade. Just going all along the forehead, under my cheekbones. I did my nose as well. Now I'm starting with the eyeshadow. So jumping right in with a muddy brown color. I'm just going to throw that in the inner part of my eye and then start to blend it up and outwards. And I'm also throwing the same exact shade on the bottom lid, leaving this little triangle area right here open. I don't want any shadow in that area. Now I'm just taking a black eyeliner and lining my waterline and tight lining as well, and jumping straight up into the eyeliner. This is just a regular liquid liner, and then I'm just going to start to drag it up and outwards, giving that really dramatic feel. Now I'm going to take some black eyeshadow and start to line along my bottom lash line and create this little wing right here just in the inner corner. And then I'm just going to start to blend it out on the other side as well. So I'm just going to look into the mirror and find where my crease is and go a little bit above it and start to create a line and drag it up and out along with my wing. So I went ahead and mixed a gold pigment I had with some mixing medium to create a liner, and then I just went across the black, and then I go back in with a black liquid liner again just to clean up any area I have missed. And I'm just making my brow bone pop with some gold highlighter. I'm also going to apply this to my inner corner as well. Now taking some turquoise metallic shadow that I sprayed with some finishing spray, I'm just going to add that in the inner and bottom corner of the lower lash line along that line I created. Taking some half lashes, put it on the top, put some mascara on, and then I took these little two lashes that I cut off some lashes that I used previously, and I'm just stuck into the middle of the lower lash line. Putting on some cinnamon colored blush, and then moving on to highlighter. The highlighter really wasn't cutting it for me, so I went ahead and sprayed the brush with some setting spray just to make that highlighter really pop on my cheekbones. Taking some brown lip liner, I'm just going to go along the outer corners of my lips and slightly fill it in. And then I'm going to move on to a light brown lipstick and fill in my lips completely. And then I'm going to go ahead and line the bottom and top of my lip just to complete the look. After that, I'm just going to take some gold highlighter and pat it on top in the centers of my lips on the top and the bottom just to complete it. After this, I'm going to go ahead with the mummification process. I just took some creepy cloth that I found at the Dollar Tree, shredded it up, wrapped it around my head and my neck. You can make a complete outfit out of it. And then I went ahead with some dark bronzer and just dirtied it up a little bit. You could make it as grungy as you like. This is just what I did. And that's it. It's complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up. And as always, thank you for watching.